stay. So it's going to stay till 25th of December. And this is the temporary ice rink they have made. These all are the temporary markets. Inside, these are the shops behind these cars. It's raining here. In winter, it rains a lot here. So I think the reason is the greenery. Well, it's not green, it's all trees or their leaves. It's basically the Duisburg. It's a small city near to Düsseldorf. Düsseldorf is quite a big city. And this is the station, the tram station. This is the emblem of Duisburg. When you Google Duisburg, you're going to see this. I don't know what it is, like parrot or something. I don't know. This season, people are really enjoying the trains. So I think I should try the coffee from this comics. I need to withdraw some cash then. I'm not sure. Germany is not like the card friendly country. You can't pay everywhere with the card, so people still prefer to use cash. And their banking system is a bit conventional. It's not that advanced like in United Arab Emirates or even in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the banking system is really fast. Here we have so much check and balances. Perhaps due to the money laundering regulations. This is one of the bank representative told me. So here I have reached the ATM of the bank where I have my account, spot casa. So I think I'll withdraw some cash to enjoy my coffee. This is very nice. It reminds me of the cafeteria in Amsterdam. Von Duisburg is the kind of mall here where you can find perhaps all kind of basic brands. I have been here a lot of times. I'm not gonna go inside. The real purpose for this vlog is to show you the Duisburg market. So here is my car. Hello, welcome to Sketch Life Explorer. I'm gonna rename this channel. So here's my coffee. Alright, so see, they have made very nice setup here just for the temporary purpose. I know I wasn't uploading quite a lot of videos, but now I think I have free time to do all the uploads and all those things. Hopefully you will keep enjoying it. me now?
I was into some things. Now the things are resolving, so I thought I'll start making the video and exploring Europe now. I have been to a few places, but I couldn't record it all. But hopefully, I'll start doing that. So that is it was a good opportunity, so I can do that. Hallo, mein Deutsch ist nicht gut. Was ist das? Germany is a good country to be in because although the taxes are very high here and some of the extreme things are here, so it is in every country. I see most of the vlog where people talk about don't go to Canada, don't go Italy or somewhere else, especially for the people in Pakistan. I will say that the problems are not more than the problem we have in Pakistan. Okay, the winter is extreme in Canada. What about summer in Pakistan when there is no electricity? So all these things mean you should find out the real ways to come out and to find the real proper way to go to abroad, to go to better country which offers you better standards of living, better pay and better things. And there are so many ways. For example, about Germany, they have a very nice visa which is called the job seeker visa. It gives you the visa for 6 months where you can come and you can find a job. And yes, that's true, the Germany is struggling with skilled workers, so that can be a good opportunity for you to come and try here. So yeah, so it's raining quite heavily now, and it's common. I mean, the people don't bother. It's not like us when it's raining and we're not going out. It's normal for the people to be in the rain outside. Just wear your jacket and just go outside.
So let's continue journey after the short coffee break. The city doesn't wait till late till night, meaning after 7 p.m. everything is closed. At the moment it's around 4. So in the winter the days are very short, which means the sun sets around 4:30. So in this case, that's why people don't like winter here. So it's pretty gloomy and dark, and most of the time the weather is like that. But as I came from a very bright country, so it's good. I like it. These are some stores here. Daddy, Cody, and the one is Woolensworth next to it. These markets are like, it's not like China stuff here, but the quality and the prices are really nice. I mean, people love shopping here, especially the middle income people, the poor people like me. Now as the Christmas is going on, so the offers are there. And some other stores are there, but I think they're for the household things. These stores are the best one in Germany. So I will keep sharing the stuff with you, the struggles I had to go through while starting up and coming up here straight away. It's not that easy in Germany. It's not that easy for you to start up the things. For example, it took me 3.5 months to just open the account. Can you imagine? And it's not like opening the account in normally another country where the agent follows you and requests you to open the account. Here you have to take the appointment. This country really works on the appointment system. So for
example, you go to bank to open the account, so normally they ask you, okay, you have the appointment after 25 days, 20 days. If you are lucky, okay, then 2 weeks. So which means it's in a different way. It was quite surprising for me. So I hope you enjoyed this small street visit. Now, as I said, I keep uploading the stuff for you, and you can see that, and you can like that too. So keep watching, keep sharing. I just do it for my sake, first of all, to have a timeline on YouTube or the social medias for me. You should have some things that you can do after your retirement. Okay, see you. So I think on my way back I will catch, they call it like Strasse. It's like a tram. I need isn't here. I don't know how long it will take to come, so I think I should wait. So here I have reached my station. See the marks of autumn. So normally I ask people here, and winter will start officially here, and they say when you won't see a single leaf on a tree, consider it's autumn. So by looking at the tree, I feel it's still some time to go for winter.